Welcome back to the channel, and this is part 3 of building a drag car. So at the moment we're just going to be doing some templating. Pretty boring, but we're going to be using Fusion 360. We're going to be using some sketch palettes on Fusion. We're going to be doing some pictures, we're going to do some scaling, and we've got all the templates behind me that I've made for the drag car. So these are going to be the Firewall templates, and I'm going to make these out of 0.8mm brushed stainless sheet, but I want to template them and have a DXF file, and then I can just have these laser cut and the files are on record. I could make these by hand. I think it's just easier if we just digitize this whole process, so if we need anything in the future. So we've got kind of one side of the inner arch. We have part of the firewall there, the other side of the firewall. Can't remember what this one is. This one is a part of the firewall as well. This is part of the floor pan, and that one there is part of the floor pan as well. So let's jump straight onto Fusion 360 and sketch up some parts ready to be laser cut. This man here, Sam, he is going to be my CAD engineer for the day. He's already done a few other templates. Let's talk about these ones. These ones here are front body to cage. So that's that one, already done. We've got rear cage to body, already that one. And then steering support bracket for the steering rack. So that's done. We'll export all of these on here to DXF. And we've got to do this one, but we're going to do this one by taking an image and a scaling Fusion 360. Let's go for it. So we've gone from cardboard aided design. You got to template everything. It's good to make sure you got all the templates for when you're building cars. To now all of our CAD drawings, DXF files ready for laser cutting. So next video is going to be maybe some laser cutting, so I can actually start welding the firewall in. So that's going to be the next one. Keep watching, and thank you for keeping up with the channel. Hope you all had a wicked weekend, and peace out.